What's up everybody, Mark here, and it's time for another Blade HQ overview. All right, today finally we get to look at the Homefront from CRKT, a great knife. If you haven't heard about this, where have you been? Got released at Blade Show 2016 and it's gotten plenty of hype. Definitely worth a knife checking out. Of course, some very cool new technology brought to you by none other than Ken Onion. So let's go ahead and take a look at the overall knife. Style-wise, you're kind of looking at a WWII inspiration there with the star, a little bit of millwork here. These are aluminum handles, and then jimping along the back spacer. Only one position for carry, that is a tip up right hand. So real quick, we'll give you a shot of that in the pocket. All right, so that's what it looks like when you are carrying this knife. As far as getting that blade out, you have this nice round flipper. It's got jimping all the way along the outside. Allows you plenty of different points of access to flip out that blade. There's the overall look of the knife. Really a good looking piece. Blade steel on it is an AUS 8. You have a hollow grind with a drop point and a little fuller's groove. You can see the Ken Onion and the Homefront logos on the back. In hand, that finger choil is nice along with the jimping. So a comfortable grip. This is a liner lock. And then of course, what you really want to see is the new field strip technology. And that's not referring to a Wild Knight of camp poker. That is the ability to break down this knife into the handles and blade to be able to get in there and clean it. And so we'll go ahead and show you how that works. What you need to do first is flip over this little lever, and that's going to pop open the little pivot portion. And then on the back part, there's a wheel here. And you're going to rotate that. You can actually see the screw begin to loosen up. Just a couple turns and your knife will disassemble itself. There we go. So the front handle portion, and you can pull out the blade there, and then your lock side. And to get it back together after you've done your cleaning, all you do is the reverse process. So you're going to put your blade in, make sure everything is lined up here. That you're pressing on the back pivot there, and then it's just a reverse process, and you can actually see this screw come into place. I kind of feel like I need to do this blindfolded and with a timer. There we go, nice and locked. Boom, back together. There's the Homefront. Overall weight on the knife, this guy is 4.80 ounces. Overall length, you're looking at 8 1/4 with a blade right at about 3.5 inches. So if you haven't gotten on the Homefront bandwagon, now is the chance. I think this is a fantastic design, great new technology. I bet you're probably gonna see on some other CRKT designs, but for right now, this is the one that has it, and that's the one you want. So go ahead, click the check it out button, and go check it out and grab yourself one today. Thanks for watching everybody, and as always, have a good one.